early morning and I'm starting to study. Well, I guess it's not an early morning actually. It's 12:20, but that's a little bit early for me to start studying. So I haven't turned on my computer yet. Starting to read over my notes, and I took away my tower my monitor that was there, and I put it all over here. I wouldn't get distracted, and so I wouldn't have to bring it back on because it's a little bit. I'm using that as an excuse not to bring my monitor on my desk and play games. Well, at least I finished almost half of my notes for studying of the whole course. I almost got up to the lecture that was the last one on the first midterm, so I still have everything that was on the second midterm and like 2 or 3 lectures after that. But I did end up playing Counter-Strike for a little bit. I played with one of my subscribers, and obviously you know who you are. So that was my excuse to come play, and just played a couple different servers, I guess. One was kind of okay, and then the other one, it was the Assault server, which is my favorite map, or used to be my favorite map because I hadn't played in a while. Hopefully this wind isn't pretty bad right now. Wow, where is the microphone? Right there? I don't know, I'm trying to hide it. And then, but the Assault map was the admins were stupid and gay. And yeah, I don't know. But so now I'm here, and I thought I would come outside for a bit. Let's go down actually. This is gonna be so annoying if it's all windy. This wood. Wow, we used a lot. This was filled up. Wow, this too. Oh my gosh. Used a lot of wood on the summer. And still got all of these things to chop. Huh. I haven't been on my trampoline in a while though. Maybe I'll go on it. But yeah, I took a little break, or like it was a little bit more than a little, and I played some Counter-Strike. What did I just hear? And now I'm here. Is the grass wet? I think it is. Huh. Should've brought my ripstick out here. It's kind of a mess over here though. There's a lot of crap on the ground. Oh nice, there's a nest up there. Wonder if there's any birds in there. There was a nest there last year, and that's why these things are up there, to prevent the birds from putting nests. But as you can see, there's a nest up there. Alright. I'll go on it, and I'll put the camera up there and see if there's anything. Oh my gosh, I'm probably gonna break this. Hopefully I don't get attacked by any birds. Anything? Is there any eggs there? I can't see or tell. I'll just watch the footage. Okay, so there weren't any eggs. I saw that. Where's the robin? Look, there's a robin right here. We put like old dried bread on the grass. If you can see it, it's right there in the middle of the screen. And because there's a lot of robins that always come over here. Maybe the same family every year? Where is it? I can't tell. And I don't want to scare it away. Where are you? Oh, there it is. Right there. Hello. Oh god. Oh, right there. All I can hear are like doves and birds chirping. Bird watching. Is it taking a crap? Sorry, it's like zoomed in 16 times, so it's kind of hard to keep a still hand. Oh, I see another bird. There's so many birds that go in these trees. all these trees. And look, there's one. Apparently my parents saw an owl in that tree right there. But yeah, birds all around. I think the robin took off. I don't know. There's two of them. I always see them every year. I don't know if it's the same ones or different ones. But there's always robins here. And all of these trees is what birds go in. And on the fence too, as you can see right there, there's a bird. And when I had my cat, it always used to see how long the fence goes all along these trees, all along. The cat always used to climb on behind it and even chase the birds too. But my cat is dead. So. Okay, I don't know what to do. I should probably go back and study because it's nearing my exam and I still kind of have a lot to go over. So. And I don't really have that much time actually. Today's already Saturday and I already kind of gone through half of the day. So I just have Sunday and then Monday is my exam. So I don't think that's registered in my head yet. So I think I'm gonna get back to studying and then see what happens from there. Oh man, I really don't want to. I'm so sick of school. Yesterday kind of put me, I'm like suppressing a hiccup right now. Yesterday kind of put me in the mood where I was gaming all day and it's kind of like, hey, I want summer already and I don't want to do anything. It's probably bad for me that I'm starting to play games now because that's all I'm going to want to do. Not go to work, not study right now. But at least it hasn't hit me yet that I've already finished a few exams. I cleared off my desktop from all the school stuff that I don't need anymore. I just kind of put it all in a different folder. So I was happy to do that. Now there's only 3 things on my desktop instead of 50. So that's always a fun thing to do at the end of the term for school. Okay, stop procrastinating. Back to work. Actually, I changed my mind because I have other things to talk about and it's probably gonna escape my mind in a few hours or whatever when I want to vlog next. And it already did one of the things, damn it. Well, Game of Thrones is tomorrow. Oh my god, do you watch one? Do you watch Game of Thrones? And 2, did you watch the last episode? I'm not going to say anything because I don't want to spoil it if anybody hasn't. Holy... I really can't wait for the next episode and successive episodes. I just want them all to watch right now. Man, it's such a good show, and what happened at the end of the last show was pretty crazy. And that has me looking forward to this next episode this Sunday, tomorrow, which I'm so excited to watch. So yeah, do you watch it? Let me know. And what did you think when the ending scene happened for the last episode? So while I was eating dinner, we noticed that there was so many seagulls flying outside in our backyard. Remember the grass that was on my backyard grass. The bread that was on the grass in my backyard. There were so many seagulls flying over my backyard, I guess wanting to swoop down and get the bread. So I took my GoPro and I just pointed it at them. And I haven't seen the footage, but I'm gonna put it right after this clip. So hopefully it turned out well and some cool stuff was shown. I was eating dinner while I had my GoPro there. Okay, well that's gonna be it for today. I'm realizing more and more that I don't have as much time to memorize all this crap. I think it's I think maybe, probably the course of it, the most stuff that I have to know. And I kind of only started today, so that's gonna be it for today. Very much looking forward to Game of Thrones tomorrow, but I don't think, just think about it right now, I don't think I'm gonna upload a vlog tomorrow, or a vlog at all, just so I can have more time to focus on this studying. Yeah, so that's gonna be it. I gotta get to editing all this footage. Peace.